So, what is DeskDock? Well, DeskDock is a series of rails and modules that are designed to make organization a little easier. On game night, add a set of rails to your table, and then everybody has a place to roll some dice. Work from home? Add a rail to your desktop and easily hang up your headphones. Add another rail for a place to put your coffee in the morning. Is the workday over and it's time to start something more fun? Swap out that coffee cup for something a little bit more entertaining. Don't forget your garage. There are modules for organizing everything from hammers and screwdrivers to pliers and drills. And the best part, you can mix and match them whenever and however you want. Lift a module from your desk and place it on your bench, and then take it over to the game table. With DeskDock, organization is left to your imagination.